What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can reset or customize your For You page on your TikTok. So your For You page is a page like a recommendation page. In YouTube, there's like recommended video. In TikTok, there's this For You page where you recommend video or where TikTok recommends you video, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can customize this. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. The first step is you want to click on your search bar over here where it says discover. Click on it, and at the top click on the search bar. Once you click on it, there's this clear all option. Click on clear all over here and click on clear, and all your search history is clear. Once you clear all your search history, you want to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, click on the three line at the top right corner, and then scroll a bit down, and where it says clear cache, click on it, and a cache will be cleared. Once it shows 0M right beside clear cache, go back from the setting and go on your home page. And over here, only like the video which you want to see. So let's say I want to see this video. I click on like, and TikTok will think I will like to see this kind of video, and in the future they're going to promote me more of this kind of video. Scroll down, and let's say I like to watch dance videos. I can click on like, and TikTok is going to recommend me more of dance videos in the future. I scroll a bit down, and let's say I don't like this kind of videos. What I can do is I can hold on this video, click on not interested. Now what TikTok is going to think is TikTok is going to think in the future I don't like these kind of videos. So let's say I don't like this kind of video as well. I can hold on it, click on not interested. Now TikTok is going to show me less of those kind of video, and you got to keep on liking and keep doing this not interested thing. And if you do this for a week, TikTok will or we can say TikTok's algorithm will think you would like what kind of video, you won't like what kind of video. And basically by doing this, you're basically customizing your TikTok's FYP. All right, there's not a specific button you can just click and TikTok is going to show you the video which you like. TikTok algorithm is going to watch your behavior closely and monitor what you like, what you don't like, and they're going to show you what you like and what you don't like based on the interaction you do on their platform. So keep that in mind. All right, and with that said, if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then.